Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again. This is Epic Blasters Shoots versus Kunzar Strikers. First, Epic Blasters Shoots won the toss and they elected to bat first. After 18 hours, they give target 243 runs to Kunzar Strikers. Ejaz Pandit. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani, Tawfiqul Noor and Shahnawaz. This is the 8th match played at Chukar Tulbagh ground of this tournament between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. Epic Blasters Shoes they give target of 244 runs for Kunzar Strikers. Saddam is the batsman who plays very well now today. He plays 72 runs knock. He just faced 27 deliveries with the help of 7 sixes and 5 4 with the strike rate of 266. Good batting by Irfan Saddam, the big name. Now he is on bowling mark.
Just 70 rupees. Wait, only 70? Wow.
Now he is on bowling mark.
I can stop.
Epic Blaster Shoes gives the target of 244 for Kunzar Strikers. It will be seen in next can this Kunzar Strikers win this or Irfan Saddam. He is the big name. Irfan Saddam plays a very good knock of 72 runs with the help of 9 huge sixes and 5 fours with the strike rate of 266. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is the 8th match of this tournament played between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. First, Epic Blasters Shoes won the toss and they opted to batting first. After 18 hours, they gave the target of 244 runs to Kunzar Strikers. This is a good total on the board given by Epic Blaster Shoes. Kunzar Strikers need 244 runs in 18 hours. Irfan Saddam, he is on his bowling mark. The big name Irfan Saddam. Amir Lefty is the batsman and Irfan Saddam, he is on his bowling mark. Right arm medium fast bowler, medium bowler. He plays already 177 match and he takes 264 wickets. 5 takes on 21. Irfan Saddam to Zishan Kara is the batsman who is on strike. Irfan Saddam to Zishan. And first run on board for Kunzar Strikers. The two batsmen take a double. 2 runs with this 2. The score is 2. Zishan Kara, he is on strike. Irfan Saddam, he is on bowling end. He is on his bowling mark. Irfan Saddam to Zishan. And this is good shot for Zishan Kara. First 6 for Kunzar Strikers. This is the first 6 of this evening. Irfan Saddam, Zishan Kara, he is on 8. He faces 2 deliveries with the help of 1 huge 6. Kunzar Strikers requires 236 runs in 106 for Saddam to Zishan. This is a no ball given by the umpire. Irshad lefty. With this ball, the score on the score is 9. Nazir Sheikh, भाई थोड़ा zoom करो. Thank you, Nazir Sheikh साहब. और zoom. Thank you, Nazir Sheikh saab, for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. So this is Saddam to Zishan, and this is a dot delivery, good delivery by Irfan Saddam. Score remaining on 9. This is the first hour of this evening. Kunzar strikers required 235 in 105. The target is 248 runs, and here is good appeal by Saddam, but cannot impress the umpire. And this is a dot delivery, good delivery by Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam is big name. He plays also very good knock, 72 runs. Irfan Saddam to Zishan Karra. And this is a wide played by the player Zishan. This is 4. With this 4, it is 13 on board. Kunzar strikers required 231 in 103 deliveries. The target on board is 248 runs, 44 runs. Irfan Saddam to Zishan Karra. And this is a dot delivery, good delivery by Irfan Saddam. First over complete, and the score on board is 13 for Kunzar strikers. बहुत ही अच्छी बैटिंग आज इरफान सद्दाम ने की यहाँ पे, जो एक बड़ा नाम से जाना जाता है सद्दाम. तो आफ्टर 1 hour the score for Kunzar strikers is 13. The new bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Amir lefty. Zish and Amir lefty here is misfielded by wicketkeeper, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 14 after 1 hour. Amir lefty, Zishan Karra, he is on strike. Muhammad Yunus is the new bowler on his bowling mark. Muhammad Yunus to Zishan, and this is a good shot at the end. Very good fielding by Shaukat Pandit. The score remaining on 14. This is Muhammad Yunus to Zishan Karra, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Irshad lefty. The score is 15 without any loss in 1.2 hours. Can Epic Blasters take early wickets? It will be seen next. Muhammad Yunus to Zishan Karra, and this is good shot played by Zishan Karra for a huge 6. This is the first 6 for this is the second 6 for Zishan Karra. With this 6, the score goes on 21 without any wicket. Zishan Karra, he is on 18 run. He just faced 9 deliveries with the help of 1 4 and 2 huge 6. Very good cricket played by Zishan Karra. Here is some little bit of rain on ground. Muhammad Yunus to Zishan, and this is a wide delivery. Not good bowling by Muhammad Yunus. He gives also 8 runs in 3 deliveries. Zishan Karra, he is on strike. The score is 22. Muhammad Yunus to Zishan, and this is another wide delivery given by umpire Irshad lefty. With this wide, the score is 23 without any loss in 1.3 hours. Can Epic Blasters break this partnership? Can they take early wickets? Zishan, he is on strike, and another good shot played by Zishan, but at the end, oh, missed by the fielder, and this is another 4. Very good batting by Zishan Karra. With this 4, the score goes on 27 without any loss. The individual score for Zishan Karra is 22. With the help of 2 4s and 2 huge 6s. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukka Tulbagh ground. Epic Blasters versus Kunzar Strikes. Mohammad Yunus to, and this is bounce delivery, and this is no given by the umpire. Zishan, he's on strike, and another, oh, very good fielding at the end, but misfield. This is a misfield 4. Not good cricket played by Epic Blasters shoots. The score moves on 32 without any loss in just 1.5 hours. Zishan Kara, he's on 26. Mohammad Yunus to Zishan Kara. Mohammad Yunus to Zishan. And this is a dot delivery. After 2 hours, the score is 32 without any loss. Zishan Kara, he is on 26 and 13 deliveries with the help of 3 4s and 2 huge 6s. Amir lefty is on strike now. 32. Lighter. Irfan Saddam come to bowl his second over. He is on his bowling mark. The score is 32 without any loss in just 2 hours. Irfan Saddam, big name. Irfan Saddam to Amir lefty. Another, and good fielding at the end. Very good fielding by left fielder of Epic Blasters shoots. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 32 without any loss in 2.1 hour. Amir lefty, he is on strike. Irfan Saddam, he is on his bowling mark. Irfan Saddam to Amir lefty, and good delivery and good catch by the fielder of Epic Blasters shoots. This is the second wicket for Epic Blasters. Kunzar's first wicket for Epic Blasters. Kunzar strikers lost their first wicket in the shape of lefty. As per DLS, Kunzar strikers got 212 runs in 94. DLS also Kunzar strikes required 212 runs in 94 deliveries. As per DLS, the score for Kunzar strikers will be 35, but they have only 32 runs on board and they lost 1 wicket. The new batsman is Tahir. New batsman on strike is Tahir. Tahir is the new batsman for Kunzar strikers. Irfan Saddam take his first wicket to Tahir. This is another good delivery by Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam is the big name. He also plays very good knock of 72 runs, and this is the first wicket for Irfan Saddam. This is his second. Irfan Saddam to new batsman. He plays a good shot at the end. It is a big 6, and this is good 6. Very good 6 by Tahir. Tahir is the new batsman. With the help of this 6, the score goes on 38. And they lost only 1 wicket. This is Saddam, Irfan Saddam, and on strike this is the batsman Tahir. Asif Saab, thank you. Commentary सुन के मजा आता है. Thank you Asif Saab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and also you can watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and put your positive comments in comment sections, and keep share this live stream. This is Epic Blaster shoes versus Kunzar strikers. First Epic Blaster shoes won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours they give target to Kunzar strikers 244 runs. After 2.4 hours the score is 38 and they lost 1 wicket. Tahir is on strike. He is on 6 runs. Zishan Kara, he is on 26 in 13 deliveries. After TLS, as per TLS, the score will be 39, but they have only 38 run on board. So Irfan Saddam, the big name, is on his bowling mark. Irfan Saddam to the batsman Zishan. Irfan Saddam to the batsman Tahir. Tahir, he is on 6 with the help of one huge 6. The strike rate is 300. Kunzar strikes required 206. Irfan Saddam to Tahir, and this is good delivery, thought delivery, no run. Very good delivery by Irfan Saddam, the big name Irfan Saddam. Asif Shoes ने कितना स्कोर किया? Shoes they score 243 runs on board with good knock by Big Saddam. This is another wicket for Irfan Saddam. Very good bowling by Irfan Saddam. Good wicket taker Irfan Saddam. He takes his second wicket, and this is second wicket for Kunzar strikers. They lost their second wicket. They have only 38 runs on board. Zishan Kara is the batsman who is on non-strike, and then the batsman, he is out on 6. Now Kunzar strikers require 206 in 90 deliveries, and here is some rain on ground. As for DLS, the score for Kunzar strikers should be 52, but they have only 32 on board, and they lost 2 wickets. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Here is some rain after. यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है, थोड़ी बहुत बारिश यहाँ पे. मैच थोड़ी देर के लिए रोका गया. After 3 hours, the score is 38 for Kunzar strikers. They lost 2 wickets. And first, Epic Blasters Kunzar, they won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target up to 44 runs to Epic Blasters Kunzar. Irfan Saddam, the big name, he takes his second wicket. He gives 19 runs in 2 hours. Very good bowling by Irfan Saddam. He is the big name. He plays also a big knock of 72 runs in just 27 deliveries with the help of 7 huge 6s and 5 4s with a strike rate of 266. Asif Pandit is the batsman. He plays also good knock for Epic Blasters Shoes. He makes 34 runs in just 14 deliveries with the help of 7 4s and 1 huge 6, and the strike rate is 242. Shaukat is the batsman who also plays good. Right now it is raining here, little bit of rain here at this ground, Tulbagh ground, Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is tournament T20 Super tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. As per DLS, the score should be 52 for Kunzar strikers, but they have only 38 on board and they lost 2 wickets. It will be seen next what is the decision between the 2 umpires. Is it match going on or will be decided as per DLS? Irfan Saddam, the big name, he is very well known cricketer, well played today, takes 2 wickets and he also takes 2 wickets and played also very good knock of 72 runs. This is Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar strikers. First, Epic Blasters Shoes won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 244 for Kunzar strikers. Kunzar strikers lost their early wickets on 38. They lost their 2 wickets in early. Only 38 runs on board in 3 hours. Irfan Sattam is the player who takes 2 wickets, and he also plays very good knock of 72 runs in just 27 deliveries with the help of 7 sixes and 5 4. And this is a tournament played at Chuka Tulbagh ground. The match is stopped here because of some rain at ground. Little bit of rain here. As per DLS, the score for Kunzar strikes will be 52, but they have only 32 on board. Irfan Sattam is the big name. He plays very good knock today. Very good knock. 72 runs he make in just 27 deliveries with the help of 7 6 and 5 4. And he takes also 2 wickets in 2 hours. This is the match between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. This tournament is played at Chuka Tulbagh ground, and the Super Cup T20 tournament played at Chuka Tulbagh ground. The organizing body of this tournament they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani Sahab, जिसको लाला के नाम से जाना जाता है, and Kamran and Tawfiqul Noor and Shahnawaz is the organizing body of this tournament. Well, this tournament, impressive tournament of this, and 32 teams participated in this tournament. This is the 8th match of this tournament, but here is a little bit rain on ground. The match between Epic Blasters and Kunzar Strikers stopped due to rain. Stay connected, stay tuned with this live stream. Thanks for watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my Facebook page, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chuka Tulbagh ground. Right now it is raining here. The match is stopped due to rain here. Little bit rain. Kunzar Strikers need a big partnership here. They need 206 runs in 90 deliveries. But Irfan Sattam is the bowler who takes his second wicket in just 2 hours. And he plays also very good knock of 72 runs in just 27 deliveries with huge 5 huge sixes and 7 huge sixes and 5 fours. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chuka Tulbagh ground. This is Epic Blasters versus Kunzar Strikers. First Epic Blasters won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours they gave the target of 244 to Kunzar Strikers. After 3 hours the score for Kunzar Strikers is 38 and they lost their 2 wickets, early wickets in 3 hours. Irfan Sattam, the big name, he takes his 2 wickets in 2 hours, and he also plays very good knock of 72 runs in just 27 deliveries with the help of 7 huge sixes and 5 fours. Very good knock played by Irfan Sattam. Irfan Sattam is the big name. Now there is a little bit rain and match is stopped due to rain. As per DLS, the score for Kunzar Strikers will be 52, but they have 38 only on board and they lost 2 wickets. Irfan Sattam is the big player of Baramulla district in Kashmir Valley. He is the big name, Irfan Sattam. Today he plays also very good knock of 72 runs in just 27 deliveries with the help of 5 fours and 7 huge sixes, and also take 2 wickets in 2 hours. He give only 19 runs in 2 hours. The good the strikers, Kunzar Strikers need a big partnership here if they want to win this match. And Irfan Sattam ends his second hour and take 2 wickets in 2 hours and he give 19 runs Now the two teams are come to play. Now Zishan, he is on strike. This is T20 Super Cup played at Shukar Tulbagh ground. This match is between Epic Blasters Shoots versus Kundar Strikers. First, Epic Blasters Shoots win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours, they gave the target up to 44 runs to Kundar Strikers. But early wickets for Kundar Strikers, they lost their early wickets in just 3 hours and they have only 38 runs on board. Zishan Kara, he is on 26 runs. He faces 13 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 2 huge sixes. He is on 26. Muhammad Yunus come to bowl his second over.
The match has been stopped due to rain and it will start after 5 minutes. The Strikers has chased a huge total. The Shankara faces 13 deliveries and made 26 runs with the help of 2 massive sixes and 3 fours. The strike rate of 200. Now the match is beginning to start again. It will start shortly. Epic Blasters Shoots are the champions of T20 Super Cup Edition 2nd, which was played between Chikar Royals and Shoots Blasters. Irfan Saddam, the man with golden arm, delivered a brilliant spell in that particular match. It's a little bit drizzling on the ground. The match will start shortly. Irfan Saddam delivered 2 overs and gave 19 runs and took 2 massive wickets. The economy of 9.50. Muhammad Yunus delivered 1 over and gave 18 runs in his first over. If we talk about Kundar Strikers, Tahir, who paced 4 balls and made only 6 runs and hits only 1 6 and was taken by Irfan Saddam and taken by Tariq Ahmed. I'm a lefty who got cold and duck passed 3 deliveries. The Shankara is on the backbone of Kundar Strikers. The matches depend on him. Can he make it yours? Kundar Strikers need 206 runs in 90 balls. The matches will begin after 4 minutes. The two official umpires of this particular match is Ishaq Lefki and Dalala Hamid, the most senior players of Chukar Royals.
ليلة تمام ليلة تمام
Ahmed Yunus will deliver his second hour. He delivered 1 hour and gave 18 runs. Shankara played a brilliant knock. The two officials of this match is Ishaq Lefki and Lala Hamid. The match is yet to start. The Shankara is on the strike and Mohammad Yunus is on his bowling mark. And Mohammad Yunus is ready to deliver his first ball of his second hour, and he started his run up. And Zishan Kala hits it out the covers. Weekend Messi launched it in the night skies of Kashmir Valley. Now the score is 44 runs. Loss of 2 wickets. Fabio. The match is dependent on Zishan Kawa. He made 32 runs in just 14 balls with the help of 3 missed sixes and 3 fours. Sajjad has tested and delivery. Gulshan will deliver his second ball of his first over. It started his run up and is ready to deliver the ball. Oh, it's wide ball, little bit outswing from Gulshan. If we talk about Gulshan, he's also a very brilliant bowler of EBS. He has ability to swing the ball on the both sides. Now he started again his run up. Oh, it's very well defense by Zishan Kara and very brilliant ball by Gulshan. Gulshan is ready to deliver his third ball of his first hour. Nice. Wide ball again. He needs to correct his rhythm. Gulshan is ready to deliver his ball. Zishan Kara goes up the covers and launched in the night skies of Kashmir Valley. Big and massive. Zishan Kara is looking very dangerous. Gulshan is going expensive. He delivers his 3 balls and gave 14 runs with the economy of 28. The match is dependent on Zishan Kara. is a very brilliant player of Counter Strikers. Also in the Tengmark area. The Gulshan is ready to deliver his fourth ball of his hour. Oh, he goes and the catch is in the hospital and he takes it very easily. Big blow for Counter Strikers. It's looking difficult for Counter Strikers to win this game. Gulshan takes his one run. The danger man goes Shankara on 38 runs, but in just 6 balls with the help of 4 sixes and 3 fours. The score is 52 loss of 3 in 3.4 hours. The officials of this particular game is Irshad Lefty and Lala Hamid, the most senior players of Chikar Royals, who has a big name in the Baramulla Valley. Strikers need 192 runs in 86 balls. الجري اللي مو تبص ده
أول تشكر الموي
سكوزغو
مش عارف
أجا
تمشي موي بون شايل هاي
Sheikh Umar is the next batsman and he will face Gulshan. Keep sharing this live stream as much as you can. Gulshan is ready to deliver his fourth ball and Sheikh Umar is ready to first. Oh, it's well defensed by and well good ball by Gulshan. The strikers need a partnership to win this game. This T20 Super Cup edition third. Gulshan will deliver his last ball of his spell. He goes and well stopped by Sheikh Umar. It's 52 for 3 in 4 hours. Muhammad Yunus will deliver his second hour of his spell. He gave 18 runs in his first hour. Now he had to correct his mistakes which he delivered in the first in his first spell. Now he goes again. Oh, great bouncer, the batsman survives. Oh, it's a great shot by Sajjad. Abdel Kawus wins 4. It's 56. Loss of 3 wickets in 4.2 hours. They need 188 runs in 82 balls. And Muhammad Yunus is going expensive here. He gave 22 runs in just 1.2 and oh my god, it's 1 run. And it's a chance of run out. Oh, it needs direct hit but could not make it. Yunus going again and deliver the ball. Oh, it's very good ball. And Sajjad had made 4 runs in 4 balls with the help of 1-4. The strikers are 56, loss of 3 wickets in 4.4 hours. Muhammad Yunus goes again to deliver his 5th ball of his second hour. He goes and very great bowling and well kept by keeper. It's 56, loss of 3 wickets in 1.5. Muhammad Yunus will deliver his last ball of his second hour. Here he goes, start his warm up and deliver the ball, and batsman manages to throw it out towards fine leg. 57. Loss of 3 wickets. 57. 5 over, 3 wicket. It's Gulshan who gave 14 runs in his first over and take one important wicket, which was of Zishan Kawa. He will deliver his second over and goes to deliver his first ball of his second over. And Sajad is on the crease and he goes with the long on, and I think it's big and the foul. Joker. It's 61, loss of 3 wickets in 5.1 hour. When the strikers KO 183 runs in 70 balls. Sajad had faced 7 balls and made 9 runs with the help of 2 fours. Gulshan will deliver his second ball of his second over. He started a run up. He delivered the second ball. Sajad is ready to play. Oh, Sajad managed to throw it in the gap and it's a chance of run out, but it's misfailed by Asif. Gulshan is ready to deliver his third ball of his second over. He goes a little bit kind, but it's 62, loss of 3 wickets in 5.2 hours. When the strikers carry 182 runs in 76 balls, Gulshan will deliver his third ball of his second over. He goes, Sajad goes, but it's no contact between bat and ball. Sajad is trying to hit the ball out of the park, but couldn't make it contact with ball. Well, the defense by Sajad, he's playing on back foot and is trying to hit Messi sixes, which his team need. It's the last ball of his our Gulshan's over. It's last ball of second over of Gulshan. Started to deliver his last ball. Sajad is on the ball. Oh, and the gap, but misfailed by Shaukat Ahmed. It will cost us 4 runs. It's 67 in 6 hours with loss of 3 wickets. Sajad faced 11 deliveries and made 14 runs with the help of 3 fours with a strike rate of 127. As Sheikh Umar faced 3 deliveries and made only 1 run. Next bowler is Shaukat Ahmed, right arm medium. When the strikers carry 177 runs in 72 balls. Next bowler is Shaukat Ahmed. He will deliver his first over of his spell. Sheikh Umar will face Shaukat Ahmed. Sheikh Umar faced 3 deliveries and made 1 run. Keep supporting this page, keep sharing, and thanks for being with us. One run. Kuna strikers carry 167 runs. It's bowled by Shaukat Ahmed, and Sajad goes. Sajad made 14 runs in 12 balls with the help of 3 fours.
Sabar sekali banget. Tadi dia kayaknya keluar. Oh, namu tiket.
The strikers need partnership. Their KO 176 runs in 70 balls, which is looking impossible for them as they are losing their wickets too early. Shaukat Ahmed is doing tremendous job for his team. He's senior player of EBS. He was ready to deliver his third ball of his first over. He took one wicket and gave only one run. Shaukat Ahmed is ready to deliver his third ball, and the batsman Sohail is ready to face him. Sohail is on the batting wall. On the strikers, Rukayo 176 runs in 69 balls. Can they make it? Shaukat Ahmed goes again, and it's wide ball. Shaukat Ahmed is ready, and Sohail Ahmed is told it was failed, the point fielder, and well captured by Muhammad Yunus. Score 69, loss of 4 wickets in 6.4 hours. Shaukat is ready to deliver his 5th ball of his hour. It's well defended by Sohail. They had to chase the huge total 175 runs in 67 balls. It's looking impossible for them now as they lost their wickets too early. Shaukat Ahmed is ready, and it's lead by Sohail, batsman, and it's up. Shaukat Ahmed completed his first hour and gave only 2 runs and took 1 wicket with the economy of 2. The officials of this match is Mr. Shahnawaz. The strikers need 175 runs in 66 balls. Sheikh Umar and Sohail is on the crease. They have to build their strong partnership as they are changing the huge total against EBS. A big blaster shoots. Shaukat Malik is new bowler, and it is down. This force misfailed by Irfan Saddam. Straight shot by Sheikh Umar. Shaukat Malik, and Sheikh Umar managed to throw it to his fine leg. It's 74, loss of 4 wickets in 7.2 hours. Sheikh Umar faced 6 balls and made 7 runs with the help of 1-4. Shaukat Malik started his run up, and Sohail goes big, but will be in the safe hands of the player. Sheikh Umar will face Shaukat Malik, and it's towards offside, but no wide. Batsman survived here. Shaukat Malik again goes. Sohail goes towards mid off and well captured by player Shaukat. Shaukat will deliver his last ball of his first hour. Sohail will face him and will complete his 1 run for his team. On the strikers, Rukayo 168 runs in 60 balls. Shaukat Ahmed again deliver his second hour of his spell. He did tremendous job for EBS, gave only 2 runs and took 1 wicket with the economy of 2. It's very brilliant ball of EBS. Ready to deliver his first ball of his second hour. He goes and Sohail tries to hit Messi, but he couldn't make it. It's 77, loss of 4 wickets in 8.1 over. Shaukat Ahmed is ready to deliver his second ball. Sahel is batsman tried to survive and very well fielded by Mustaq Ahmed. When the strikers are chasing huge margin of runs, Shaukat Ahmed goes again. Sheikh Umar faces him and he goes towards the long on and well kept by Irfan Saddam, and they will complete 1 run. Shaukat Ahmed will deliver his 4th ball of his second over. He's doing tremendous job for EBS. Started run up and it's wide. And the strikers need 164 runs in 57 balls. If they had to stay in this tournament, they had to chase this huge margin and they had to build a partnership and play massively. Shaukat Malik goes again. Will stop by batsman and will stop by fielder Shaukat Malik. And Sahel goes massive big 6 from Sahel's bat. He launched it into the night skies of Kashmir Valley. Shaukat Ahmed. Sahel will face Shaukat Ahmed. Sahel is ready to play, but Shaukat Ahmed is facing an issue in his run-up. He started his run-up and he goes again. Big bat will, the fielder will keep.
Yeah, there's mobile. You got some. You down, okay.
Shaukat Malik will deliver his second over. Slash me tonight, yeah, super. It's 89 runs, loss of 4 wickets. Sheikh Umar is on the batting mark and he goes huge. It's very high. The player is under it, but they dropped the very catch. It's Lala Hamid here. He will do the commentary.
शुक्रिया 94 last of 4 wickets 9 over 10 बॉल प्रगति पर गेंदबाज चले तोड़ना शुरू किया, आपको क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाला ऑफ साइड में 1 रन का मुजाहिरा वहां पर 91 लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट्स 10 बॉल प्रगति पर शूज ने टॉस जीता, फिर बल्लेबाजी का फैसला किया। शौकत है बॉलिंग पर, शौकत मलिक सीनियर खिलाड़ी, मोस्ट खिलाड़ी शौकत चढ़े, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, हमें को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की को बीट हो गए, कीपर से भी छिट गई गेंद, 1 रन का मुजाहिरा वहां पर 92 लॉस ऑफ 2 4 विकेट्स 10 ओवर की 5वीं गेंद फेंकी शौकत अहमद। उमर 11 रनों का सामना किया, 11 रन 1 चौका। आजमी 13 गेंदों का सामना किया, 11 रन 1 छक्का। चौका चले, दौड़ा शुरू किया, आपको क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाल लेग साइड में, वहां फिर और नहीं रोक पाएगा और गेंद की दंदनाती हुई सीमा के पार 4 रन के लिए। आज के जो अंपायर है शहनवाज भाई, दीना भाई के नाम से जाना जाता है, तौफीक नूर एंड तौफीक नूर इस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बॉडी एंड दीना भाई अल्लाह हमीद। ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो। T20 सुपर कप एडिशन 3 का आज 7वां मैच यहाँ पर खेला है शूज वर्सेस कुंजर के दरमियान। शौकत चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, अंधे को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की इसको निकाला, गेंद को गेंद चली फिर से स्लीपर और गेंद गई 4 रन के लिए और 1 चौका। 101 लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट्स। अब 8 ओवर का गेंद बचा हुआ है और उनमें करना है कुंजर को 143 करना है 8 ओवर में। मुश्ताक खांडे आए, कैप्टन आए गेंदबाजी करने के लिए मोर्चे पे लगाया कैप्टन खुद आए खाड़े, मुश्ताक खाड़े। खाड़े अपनी बॉलिंग मार रखा, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, हमको क्रॉस किया गेंद की और बॉल कर दिया खाने ने, इसको क्लीन बॉल किया, वहां पर पहली सफलता खाने को मिला। वन 101 हो गया, 5 विकेट 11 और प्रगति पर। अगर शूज की बात की जाए तो बड़ी गहराई है शूज में। शौकत, सदाम, मुश्ताक, गुलशन। 101 हो गया स्कोर, लास्ट 5 विकेट 11 और प्रगति पर। पहली गेंद पर चलता किया मुश्ताक खाने ने बैट्समैन को। निकाला गेंद को ऑफ साइड में, वहां अच्छी फील्डिंग, वहां पर 1 रन का मुजाहरा। एक 102 हो गया, 5 11 और प्रगति पर। निकाला गेंद को फिर से लांगन के क्षेत्र में, 1 रन का मुजाहरा वहां पर। खड़े की बात की जाए, पहला ओवर में पहला ही गेंद पर बोल्ड, क्लीन बोल्ड कर दिया बैट्समैन को। गेंदबाज अपनी बॉलिंग में दौड़ना शुरू किया, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इस गेंद को निकाला ऊपर, गेंद चली हवा में, छक्का, बहुत बड़ी छक्का, लंबा सा छक्का, पलने की आवाज सुनो, ले 6 का ये फरमान सुनो, कदम चुमी छक्का। 109 हो गया, 5 विकेट। गेंदबाज अपनी बॉलिंग मार पर फिर से खड़े चले, सामना करेंगे बैट्समैन। दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, ओ वाइट। शाहनवाज भाई ने इशारा किया वाइट। मुश्ताक चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इसको को निकाला, एज थी वहां पर, कीपर से भी छटक गई गेंद, बड़ी एज थी मगर कीपर लपक नहीं पाए। 111 लास्ट 5 विकेट्स। खाने चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, वेट हो गए फिर से। 11 ओवर हो चुके हैं, 1-1 लॉस ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। T20 सुपर कप एडिशन 3 का 7वां मैच एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज वर्सेस कुंजर के दरमियान। 111 हो गया स्कोर, लास्ट 5 विकेट्स। मोहम्मद अनस बिन चौहान का नाम है, जल्द से ज्यादा शेयर करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो। एजाज आए गेंद करने के लिए, बॉलिंग मार, एजाज चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इसको डिफेंस किया वहां बैट्समैन ने, मलिक कैसर। शुक्रिया कहने के लिए। एजाज चले, फिर से दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की और गेंद को निकाला ऑफ साइड में, वहां फील्डर 1 रन का मुजाहरा हुआ, यास्मिन भी किया, 1 रन का कंप्लीट किया। 112 हो गया स्कोर, लास्ट 5 विकेट्स। 12 और प्रगति पे, 112। एजाज चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, छोटा सा रन, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इसको निकाला फील्ड लेग साइड में, बेहतरीन फील्डिंग वहां पर, जहां 4 होना चाहिए वहां अपनी टीम के लिए 3 रन बचाए, बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, लाजवाब फील्डिंग, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतने ही काम। T20 सुपर कप एडिशन 3 चुक्कर के सरजमीन तुलबाग में गुलमर्ग के हजीब वादी में मैच खेला है। बरहान चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाला फील्ड अंदर में और वहां सदाम लगा हुआ है। सदाम ने सफाई के साथ फील्डिंग को पकड़, बॉलिंग को पकड़ लिया और 1 रन का मुजाहरा। सदाम की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम। आज धुआंधार बल्लेबाजी सदाम दौरान बिखार दिया कुंजर वालों को सदाम ने। 12 चले, दौड़ना शुरू किया, क्रॉस किया, गेंद को ऑफ साइड में कट किया, गेंद चली गई कोहली की रफ्तार से 4 रन के लिए और 1 चौका। शाहनवाज भाई ने कहा ऑल द वे। 118 लास्ट 5 विकेट्स। 12 ओवर की आखिरी गेंद डालेंगे एजाज अपनी बॉलिंग मार पा, दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इसको निकाला फिर से वहां और 1 चौका। 12 ओवर हो गए कंप्लीट। 122 लास्ट 5 विकेट्स। 122 लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। छत्तीस गेंदों में 122 रन चाहिए अभी कुंजर को। नामुमकिन सा लगता है मगर शूज भारी हो चुका है कुंजर पर। 122 लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स, 13 और प्रगति पर। देखना किस पर कैप्टन जिम्मेदारी संभालेंगे। शौकत आए बॉलिंग पर, सदाम ने शौकत पर भरोसा किया। शौकत पांडव आए गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। शौकत चले, शौकत पांडव आए गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। शौकत चले अपनी बॉलिंग मार्क पर, छोटा सा रन ऑफ शौकत, लेफ्ट आर्म चले, दोनों शौकत को क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाला साइड में। वहां अच्छी सी फील्डिंग, वहां पर यशनो के बीच में खतरा हो सकता है मगर बाल बच गए बैट्समैन। 1 रन का मुजाहिरा। 123 हो गया लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। चलिए गेंदबाज अपनी बॉलिंग में दोनों शौकत को क्रॉस किया है। अच्छी बॉलिंग वहां पर एजाज दौरान। 124 हो गया लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स, 13 और प्रगति पर। गेंदबाज चलिए दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड में एम्पायर का इशारा वाइट। फ्रीड का इशारा, एम्पायर शाहनवाज भाई ने नो बॉल का इशारा किया वहां। गेंदबाज चलिए दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की फिर से एम्पायर का इशारा वाइट। खतरा हो सकता है, वन स्ट्राइक पर थ्रो लगा मगर बॉल बच गई फिर से बैट्समैन। गेंदबाज चलिए दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की फिर बीट हो गए फिर से बैट्समैन। गेंद गई सीधे विकेट पे दस्तानों में। गेंदबाज चलिए दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाला ऑफ साइड में। 1 रकम 128 लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। तौफीक नूर खड़े खड़े में इसका आनंद लेते हुए। 129 हो गया लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स। गेंदबाज चलिए दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की डिफेंस किया वहां पर। 1 रन का मुजाहरा पागा थ्रू फील्डिंग की गेंदबाज ने। 130 हो गया 13 ओवर की एक्टिव वहां पर। गेंदबाज चले, मुश्ताक फिर से दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की बीट हो गई फिर से। एक 131 हो गया लास्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट्स, 14 ओवर प्रगति। मुश्ताक खांडे की बात की जाए, मुश्ताक खांडे इस टीम के कैप्टन है। नरम मिजाज के मुश्ताक खांडे बड़ा चले, दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की ऑफ साइड में गेंद को निकाला। वहां एजाज फील्ड ने सफाई के साथ चौका बचाया। 1 रन का मुजाहिरा वहां पर। गेंदबाज चले दोनों शुरू किया, खांडे चले दोनों शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की इसको निकाला, ऊपर गई गया, नीचे है शौकत अहमद और ये आउट। 133 हो गया स्कोर लास्ट ऑफ 6 विकेट्स। आशुष वालों ने कुछ को बिखार के रख दिया, खासकर सदाम ने।
वो तमाम कहां ना कर दी बात।
शौकत आए हैं यहाँ पर। चलो गेंदबाज मुश्ताक दौड़ना शुरू किया, हमको क्रॉस किया गेंद की, ओह बीट हो गई, फिर से बाल बच गई बैट्समैन वहां पर। शुक्रिया मुझे कैसर टार यासिद फैसान, शुक्रिया। मुश्ताक बॉलिंग मार पर बैट्समैन ने हेलमेट निकाला, गुस्से में आ गया शायद बैट्समैन खाने का। चलो मुश्ताक चले दौड़ना शुरू किया, छोटा सा रन खाने के लिए दौड़ना शुरू को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इस गेंद को निकाला, ओह क्या छोड़ा वहां स्लीपर। चौदह ओवर की आखिरी गेंद, 137 हो गया, लास्ट 6 विकेट्स। गेंदबाज चले दौड़ना शुरू को क्रॉस किया, गेंद को निकाला, फिर से वहां पर खिलाड़ी मौजूद, 1 रन का मुजाहरा वहां पर। एक 128 हो गया स्कोर, लास्ट 6 विकेट्स। आप 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। गेंदबाज चले, फिर नया गेंदबाज आया, दौड़ना शुरू किया, हमको क्रॉस किया गेंद की, ओह बाल बच गई वहां बैट्समैन। गेंदबाज फिर से अपनी बॉलिंग मार पर दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के हमने को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, इसको निकाला, ऊपर चली गई गेंद नीचे खिलाड़ी, मगर इससे आगे नो मान लैंड में गेंद गिर चुकी है, 1 रन का मुजाहरा वहां पर। 139 हो गया स्कोर, लास्ट 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। गेंदबाज चले दौड़ना शुरू किया, दौड़ के आए, हमने को क्रॉस किया गेंद की, और निकाला गेंद को लेग साइड में, वहां अच्छी तरीके से फील्डर ने खाने ने गेंद को पकड़ा और मिसफील्ड हुई खाने से, और एक चौका, जहां 1 होना चाहिए वहां 4 दिए खाने ने। गेंदबाज चले अपने बॉलिंग में दौड़ना शुरू किया, हमको क्रॉस किया गेंद की, उसके निकाला, फिर से वहां फील्डर मौजूद, 1 रन का मुजाहरा वहां शौकत दौरान, अच्छी फील्डिंग शौकत की वहां पर। Mungkin pada bala, ini lah cheese water kan, nanti ku tahu. 144 loss of 6 15 ओवर प्रगति पर। गेंदबाज चले दौड़ना शुरू किया, आपको क्रॉस किया गेंद की, और बोल्ड हो गई वहां पर। 7वां झटका कुंजर को लगा यहाँ पर, 144 लॉस 7 विकेट।
इसका बड़ा देरी तू आज का बात करना तू
7 विकेट। ये मलिक कैसर वना शूज ने ज्यादा रन किसने बनाए?
सदाम ने 72 रन, जस्ट 22 डिलीवरीज, 27 डिलीवरीज में 72 रन का हदफ किया सदाम ने, दिखा दिया आज कुंजर बाबा को सदाम ने। सदाम बैटिंग नहीं कर, उसकी इसकी बल्ले में जैसे पावर लगी हुई थी सदाम की।
और 2 विकेट अपने नाम कर लिए।
आज का मैन ऑफ द मैच मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर सदाम होगा, जिन्होंने बढ़िया बैटिंग का मुजाहरा यहाँ की।
This is T20 Super Cup playing at Chukar Tulba ground. This is between Epic Blasters versus Kunzar Strikers. First, Epic Blasters win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours, They give the target of 245 to strikers Kunzar. I think we'll score a goal. Malik Kaisar shoes ne zyada run kisne. Saddam is the player who plays very well knock today. He makes 72 in just 27 deliveries with the half of 7 huge sixes and 5 fours, and he take also 2 wickets in 2 hours. He give only 19 runs in 2 hours and take 2 wickets. Very good knock played by Saddam. Irfan Saddam, the big name. Oh, this is a good delivery. The score is 151 for the loss of 7 wickets. Sheikh Umar, he is on 43 runs, and Asif Pandit, he is on his first over. Player is going injured due to helmet laga. So helmet lagya. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. The match between Epic Blasters Kunzar versus Kunzar Strikes. Epic Blasters gives the target of 245 runs to Kunzar Strikers. After 15.1 hours, the score is 152 for the loss of 7. Now Kunzar Strikes required 92 runs in just 17 deliveries. And this is a good shot, but at the end, missed by the player. And this is missed by the lollipop catch. Lazy fielding with this single. The score is 154. Asif Pandit to Ubaid Nazir. Ubaid Nazir playing, and another lollipop catch by Shaukat Malik. Kunzar Strikers lose their 8th wicket. Now only 16 deliveries left, and they need 91 runs. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani, Lala Shahnawaz, and Mr. Tawfiqul Noor. Today's match is between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. First, Epic Blasters Kunzar, they won the toss and they given the target to Kunzar Strikers 245 after 15.3 hours, 153 on board, and they lost their 8th wicket. New batsman on crease is Lone Mohsin. Sheikh Umar, he is on non-strike on 44. Asif Pandit to new batsman Lone Mohsin. And this is a dot delivery. No run. Now 14 deliveries and 91 run. This is impossible. Asif Pandit to Lone Mohsin. Very good and good catch taken by the bowler Asif Pandit. And Kunzar Strikes lose their 9th wicket. Now Epic Blasters Shoes need only 1 wicket for this win. Very good cricket play today by Epic Blasters Shoes, especially Irfan Saddam. He is the big man. He plays very good knock today. He makes 72 in just 72 runs, 2 balls with the help of 7 huge sixes and 5 fours. And the new batsman come on crease is now at the end of this evening. Oh, Dina! Oh, Shahnawaz! Dat was Maglia mee.
Dan moet je het
At the end of this evening, Epic Blasters choose 1 by 9.